Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 5 EVS worksheet, Chapter 12, What If It Finishes? So this is a chapter explaining about fuel, vehicle, all these things. First, we'll see a vehicle is a machine that transports people or cargo. So it can be bicycle, motor vehicles, two-wheeler, four-wheeler, rail vehicles, trains, trams, watercraft, airplanes, helicopter. All these are vehicles. Next, we'll see fuel. What is a fuel? The difference between diesel fuel and petrol fuel. So what is petrol fuel? A petrol is the most popular type of fuel and it is also called as gasoline. It is a hydrocarbon derived from crude oil. When it is in natural state, petrol is a liquid with a distinctly strong odor. Diesel fuel is a liquid fuel used in diesel engines. So this was named after Rudolf Diesel and it is used in boats, trains, trucks, barks and buses, fuel construction, farm equipment, all these you can see diesel is used as fuel. There were even some remote villages or towns that rely on diesel to power their electricity. So this is a simple introduction about this chapter. Next we'll see match the following. Column A, column B is given. LPG meaning is liquefied petroleum gas. CNG meaning is compressed natural gas. Petrol, diesel, kerosene, LPG, wax, coal tar are obtained from petroleum. So refinery is a place to clean and separate components of crude oil. Multiple choice question. First question, which of these gives least smoke when compared to petrol, CNG, diesel? So we can say CNG. Second question, to clean oil found deep down in the earth, it is sent to refinery. Third question, which of the following is obtained from petroleum? So wax, LPG, coal tar. Next, fourth question, which gas is used for cooking in homes? LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Next, fifth question, how many people in our country use apple, wood and try twigs to cook food? 2/3 of the people still use these items to cook. Next question, which mode of transport can reduce congestion or road? So it is which mode of transport can reduce congestion on road. It is not or, it is on road. So it is bus because it can accommodate more number of people when compared to car, auto and scooter. Which mode of transport does not cause pollution? So it is bicycle or cycle. Next question, which of these is a renewable source of energy? Solar. Next, true or false? First question, we should switch off the engine when we stop the car. True. Second question, petrol and diesel are made by humans on missions. False. Third question, electricity can be used to run vehicles. True. Fourth question, crude oil is used for making several other things like plastics and plants. True. Fifth question, vehicles that run on CNG gives out a lot of smoke. True. Filling the blanks with suitable words. Vehicles which run on CNG gives less smoke. Dash oil is smelly, thick, dark colored liquid. It is crude oil. Third question, we can save a lot of fuel if we use public transport. Fourth question, petrol and diesel will not last forever. Fifth question, crude oil is formed naturally but slowly deep down the earth. Next, answer these questions. First question, which state of India have oil fields? You can write all the listed states. Eastern Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Southern West Bengal, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat. So you can write few in this. Next, besides oil, what else is found deep inside the earth? So you can see minerals like copper, bauxite, diamond, ruby. Next, we should use petrol and diesel judiciously. Think why? Because they cannot be made as fast as we take them out. Next, where all is oil used? So it can be used in dry cleaning, lighting of lamps, fuel, kerosene and LPG for cooking, to run machines. So I can write few of these uses. Next, the rates of petrol are different in each city. So the Delhi petrol and diesel rates are given below. So you have to compare and write. The rate of diesel increased by 28.49 rupees when you compare 2014 and 2007. So what was the difference in the rate of petrol and diesel from 2002 to 2007, 2007 to 2014? So here it is written. So you have to minus from the amount. Subtract the answer. So for this should be subtracted from here. This should be subtracted from here for this question. 2002 to 2007. For 2007 to 2014, so you have to subtract this from here. Next has a chart given here. In 1976, usage of fuel is given, and 1996 is also given. In 1976, out of 100, how many houses used apple and wood? So it is 75 houses. Which of the fuel used least? Here it is coal. In 1996, how many houses used electricity were? See, if you see in this chart, it is 5. Which fuel was used least? Here it is coal. Percentage wise, it is 5. So you can make a poster with a message on saving fuel. Write a slogan too. So this is a sample poster. You can take a chart paper or A4 sheet and write your own slogan and make a poster like this. So this is all about this chapter. This is an easy chapter. Hope this video is useful and understanding. Thanks for watching.